This is how to create a MySQL database in InfinityFree. From your dashboard, select an account, then go to Control Panel, then scroll down and go to MySQL Databases. Then we will create a database. So we will add a new database, for instance, WPDB, and just click Create Database. Then you have the database here, and you can go to phpMyAdmin by clicking Admin to manage your databases. Now you can create table or import existing database to this new database. So this is how to create a MySQL database in InfinityFree.